Hello, I'm Neil Mason, Business Development Manager at Export Utility Products at Central Force. In today's video, we're going to explore why plastic cable covers are the superior choice for protecting underground high voltage cables and buried pipelines in comparison to reinforced concrete covers. In some parts of the world, concrete covers are still used to protect buried services from utility strikes. This video is to show that a smarter and more sustainable solution exists in the form of Stokbord utility protection. Central Force has been the market leader in producing sustainable plastic products for over 4 decades. Our Stokbord cable covers are designed to prevent utility strikes and replace concrete in the role of protecting high voltage cables and buried pipelines, offering a range of benefits that concrete simply can't match. Let's go into the key advantages of plastic over concrete, starting with some tests pitting plastic against concrete. The results speak for themselves. First, we'll look at the impact test. We will simulate a utility strike by dropping a sharp, heavy object with a force of 125 joules onto both the concrete tile and our Stokbord utility protection. According to the National Grid and ENAT standards, our plastic covers outperform concrete in impact resistance. The concrete cover cracks when struck with the same force, whilst the plastic cover remains intact and unpenetrated by the impact. The concrete tile does not pass the National Grid standard, whilst the Stokbord cover meets the requirements. Here's a simple but effective drop test. As you can see, the concrete cover breaks easily under impact when dropped from a height of 4 meters, whilst the Stokbord cover remains unscathed, showing robustness and durability. Weight is another critical factor. Our plastic covers are significantly lighter and easier to handle than the bulky concrete covers, which are heavier and more difficult to install. This reduces the risk of injury and speeds up an installation time. Even under normal conditions, like being struck by hand tools, the plastic cover outperforms concrete. The plastic remains functional, whereas the concrete becomes compromised, endangering the cables and buried pipelines. Beyond durability and safety, plastic covers also have a lower environmental impact than concrete. Our Stokbord covers are made from 95% recycled plastic, significantly reducing carbon emissions compared to reinforced concrete. And as it's lighter and less bulky, it has lower transportation costs, which also brings significant environmental benefits to all stakeholders. Sustainability is at the heart of what we do at Central Force. This table highlights the cost-benefit analysis between concrete and plastic cable covers. Not only do these factors reduce your overall cost, but they also contribute to a lower carbon footprint. With fewer resources needed and no breakage losses, plastic cable covers help make infrastructure projects more sustainable. We've seen clear evidence that our Stokbord cable covers offer unmatched benefits over concrete in terms of durability, ease of handling and environmental impact. As the industry continues to evolve, it's time to make the switch to a more cost-effective, safer and more sustainable solution.